Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And you probably know I've reviewed a lot of Tecsun radios. I really like the Tecsun radios. And here is two of their newest radios that I've reviewed in the past. This is the PL-330, and this is the H-501X. Now, both of these radios, plus some other Tecsun radios, have been supplied to me by anon-co.com, and specifically Anna at that company. And the Tecsun PL-330 right now sells for $65. The 990 sells for $235. There is another kit that comes with a plastic case to hold everything. It's a little more, but they're out of stock right now. And then the H-501X sells for $298. And now, thanks to Anna, because the problem has been is these radios are in such big demand, they're having trouble getting in stock, especially with the COVID virus thing going on and shipping being a problem. But this week, Anna sent me one of the radios I do not have, which I'm going to show you today. And let me move these slightly out of the way so that I got room to show you. Whoop, I do that all the time. Let me move it away from the table. There we go. And here it is, the new PL-990x. This is the latest version of the firmware. And we're going to do several videos on this radio. It's kind of in the mid price range between the two radios. And I'll be showing you the differences. But first, we're going to do something that I normally don't do, but I'm impressed with it, and that is the shipping, the boxing, and all the things you get with this radio. You don't just get the radio. Let me show you what you get. Let me open this up. I like their boxes. They're really nice, heavy boxes. Everything is well packaged. Okay, in the box, we have, in a plastic container, we have the manual, and we have a world map. I'll be showing you that later. Whoops, this one's upside down. I'll be showing you that later. And included nowadays is the printout of the hidden features, things that they did not put in the manual that were available. And normally you had to, in the past, you had to search for this, but now they're including it. So there's the hidden features. We'll be going over the hidden features. There is the nice, I mean really nice case. I really like these cases. Nice zippered case with a carrying strap. And the radio's in here, we'll get that out in a second. Also in the box is, whoops, is one of those Tecsun reel antennas. Yep, comes with that. It comes with a USB adapter, and it has 2 ports. So you can use it to charge the internal battery. It comes with the earbuds and the USB charging cable. And it comes with 2 batteries. I've already inserted one in the radio. It comes with 2 batteries. It only uses it one at a time, so it gives you the opportunity to keep one charging offline. They're the 816 batteries. Pretty, I mean, lots of goodies besides just the radio. Let me put this down, make some room here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the radio. I put it back in the bag and the carrying case that it comes in. Really nice zippered case. Okay, we'll open it up here. The carrying case actually has a little pocket too, right here. So put that aside. And there's the radio right there. Really a nice looking professional radio. Doesn't look like cheap plastic or anything like that. Lots of features. And it has an MP3 player. Nice long telescopic antenna. Again, I'll be going over the details in a future video. Now, what I did do, I went to Jay Allen's website. It's called, I'll show it to you right here. It's called radiojallen.com. And he does extensive reviews of radios. And he reviewed one of these radios when they first came out. So you can go to his website and read that review. I captured this from his review, which is a list of all the features and specification. And I have permission to capture things like this from his website, as long as I give him full credit, which I'm giving. Okay, let's just go down this quickly and then we'll end this up. Long wave from 50 to 519 or 50 to 522, depending on what mode you put it on, whether it's US or international. Medium wave / AM goes from 522 to 1620 or 520 to 1710. Short wave goes from 1621 to 29999 or 1711 to 2911. Full shortwave band FM is 64 to 108 or 87 or 76 or 87.5, depending on what you select. Tuning steps for long wave and medium wave can be either 9 kilohertz or 10 kilohertz or 1 kilohertz for fine tuning. FM tuning is 100K to 10 kc. 10 kilohertz, excuse me, old school KC. Okay, direct tuning keypad, of course. Memory page, lots of memories. He didn't put down how many memories it had. We'll go over that later. Up and down, auto, manual, auto tuning and storage. Main and fine tuning knobs, got 2 tuning knobs. FM and stereo and mono switch. It's got so many functions. Triple conversion. I mean, this is only what you get in high-end radios on long wave, medium wave, and short wave. Single sideband, lower and upper sideband, synchronous detection. And theoretically, they have improved it even again on this particular model and version. Shortwave meter bands, so you can quickly jump through the shortwave meter bands. Ah, there it is, memories. 3150 total memories within 25 memory pages. A DX normal local gain switch on the side for all bands. A clock with alarm, sleep timer, and snooze control. This goes on and on. Multifunction display with time, signal, and signal to noise ratio. LED lighting can be set up for auto and always on. I always have mine always on, and then when I find a station I like, then I turn it off. MP3 player using the micro SD cards. Supported audio, there's a listing right there. Bluetooth audio playback, so you can play back from, say, your cell phone. Computer speaker mode via USB input. I've never used that, but maybe I'll try it this time. Bass and treble tone controls. Key lock. Output power is 450 milliwatts. Speaker is 4 ohms at 3 watts. Headphone jack output, which is stereo. A line output with level adjustment. Auxiliary input jack for all bands. There's a function key you can use to have the antenna jack be used for the medium wave band and long wave band. An antenna switch switches from the internal to the external. Power supply is 3.7, which is the 18650 battery. Dimensions are 7.8 inches by 4.7 inches by 1.5 inches. And the weight without the battery is about 22 ounces. Oh my gosh, all those features. That's why I'm going to do a series on this radio, because there's so many things to go over, and I don't like to have my videos to be too long. So we're going to do a series. First next we'll do a show on the features and the buttons and the display. That's it. I want to thank Anna again. Just so happens one of our cats is named Anna, at anon-co.com. Check it out. There's the prices as of this video. She did say that some of these radios are like the 990 in the kit version with the carrying case is out of stock. She's really low on stock on this 990. So you want to go check them out right away. I really like these radios. Tecsun has done a good job of their most recent radios. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.